hola, my YouTube peeps. How are you? So I am working on my investment property, and let me tell you that it's been a handful. I'm working in the basement right now, and what I'm trying to do is sand the floors because I want to put epoxy flooring. But boy, this was such a time time sucker, I guess. Why? Because it took me at least 4 days to try to get this floor in order. In order for you to put epoxy, it has to be super clean. Everything scraped up, smooth, ready for the epoxy. So this is what I did. For all of those ladies out there, you could do it too. But it was just really difficult. I watched a ton of YouTube videos. All the YouTube videos were not super helpful in this process. So this is my experience, and remember, this is DIY. So the first thing that I will let you know is that I had such a hard time taking the old 30-year-old adhesive from here. They had super old carpeting here. Let me tell you, I tried a ton of adhesives. I also did muriatic acid. So I literally had to do this. So here's like a little bit of glue, as you can see, and you literally have to hammer it out. Here, let me show you. So you take the hammer and the chisel and you literally start hammering this out. And that's how it comes out. Here's more of a close-up view so you can take a look a little bit better. Now keep in mind, I only did that on the edges because that's where the glue was predominantly thick. So in the middle, I really didn't do as much. I also, I had some concrete cracks. So I used a concrete filler to fill up these concrete cracks. And other than that, I think it's ready to go. So I'm ready to use the sander. I rented it at Menards. Some Home Depots don't have sanders. This is for concrete. And then I have my sanding discs. There is step 1, step 2. The first grit is 30 grit. The second one is 50. I got 2 of these, and then the third one is an 80 grit. And here we go. So apparently, these just kind of have like a, I don't know. What do you call this? It's like a Velcro pad. I thought they actually just, pasted on there, or I don't know, glued on there, but no, I guess they just literally put them like that. There's 2 of them. And like that. And like that. So hands down, the worst part about getting this ready to do the whole epoxy thing was definitely the scraping and hammering, chiseling, all that nasty glue from 30 years ago. It took me forever. Here's the final finishing touch for the etching of the floor and sanding before getting ready to epoxy. Just make sure that you do take off as much adhesive, old glue, so it is completely smooth. Once you have that smooth finish, then you're all set and ready to epoxy the floor. Click that little notification bell and subscribe.